Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into HOLOCHAIN. The ticket is hot versus USD. Before I continue, I just want to say thank you for your support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you for liking this video and sharing the video, and thank you most importantly for your subscription, okay? Do check out all the links on CoinsKid.com and in each and every single video description. Thank you. You know, right here, HOLOCHAIN for me is coiling up. You're looking extremely bullish here for an impulse break, and I do anticipate that this is my forecast, okay, for HOLOCHAIN just here for hot at 10 cents, okay, nice round number. We're currently trading down here at 1.4, okay, so from here right now, continuation of the trend, you're looking at a whopping 632% long right there. You know, we may have the potential to go overextended here because this is the parabolic mania phase of the bull run that we're anticipating right here, okay. So if you do start to go a bit more parabolic this way, you could actually come up all the way to these levels just there, okay, and meet these in this bull run that we're in. But for me, my minimal target right now is the 1618. So from here right now, you know, if you do start to come up and break this high, it will offer a fantastic long opportunity of around about 237%, okay, so it's amazing. It's doing everything it needs to. And if you refer back to my HOLOCHAIN video way down here, I says, look, we're breaking out of a falling wedge, okay, essentially one massive big bull flag. The more you zoom out, the more you'll see it on the weekly. Look at that big bull flag coming back to support, held this swing high, and up we go. And with that, we're putting in beautiful reversal patterns. You know, we're looking extremely bullish here on this particular project, and I do think at the moment you're creating some kind of horizontal here on the daily, and you're looking for a break to the upside, coming up to retest this 786. So this for me in itself from here right now is a lovely 42% long op just to come up to the 0786 at 2 cents basically. So it's looking amazing. It's looking amazing. You've broken out of a huge ascending triangle, and essentially, you know, a huge inverse head and shoulders pattern like that, you know, and even a couple handle pattern where you come like that, you've created this handle, and right now you're breaking this resistance just there, and you've got a technical target to the upside. So the technical target for HOLOCHAIN at the moment, we'll have a look, see if it's been met, is from this break of this low resistance here, you're in a technical target to the upside from there to there, and you're looking at that. So that pretty much brings you up to the 786, doesn't it? You can see you've bolted up, consolidating for continuation, coming to that technical target around about 0.19 cent. With that, I think you see the continuation, you're coming up to 786, which is a 40% opportunity from here. And with that, once you start to break that, I would imagine you're going to take out that high, and you're going to put an impulsive wave, and you're going to be looking at 10 cents minimal, absolute minimal in this bull run. So it's looking really good. It's looking geared up basically. It's had its consolidation. It's came down, held a key level support, which was this swing high, and I did give you all these targets, okay. I said to you here as well, look, you're taking off into space, be careful, because you buy big green candles, you get big red dildos, you get shafted, and it came all the way down. Everyone was really fearful, but just there says, look, you haven't in a corrective phase of a bull market. Just look to the left, look to the right. Everything's proving that. You know, Bitcoin's breaking the highs, Ethereum's going on. You know, it's golden. But the altcoins, there's sort of some of them, especially HOLOCHAIN, because it bolted so much, it's just a little bit lackluster. It's entered a longer level of consolidation. But for me, this is looking absolutely geared up. Now, a key level of support moving forward, if there was ever to be a roll and a correction in the market, and you know what happens, look, you come up here, get overextended, you put in an ABC correction, come down to a key level of support, which was the upper trend line of this level of support, this ascending triangle. If you was to see a roll in the market, for me, this would be a key level of support. Okay, the 050, come back down, hold it as support. That would be an absolute golden entry in this bull market for HOLOCHAIN. Don't necessarily envision it though, because I think we're actually quite bullish here, and just here we're putting in this beautiful horizontal, and you can see we're coming into the apex like that. And once we come into this apex and get the break, I do think we're looking at retest of 786, because it's the technical target that we're actually in off this impulsive break of this huge inverse head and shoulders pattern that we've got, okay, on the daily time frame. But one thing here on the daily, you can see that what we've done here is we've come up and we've not necessarily back tested this trend line of support. So that could actually be at play if you do start to roll out of this particular pattern just there. Okay, so from here right now, if it was to correct, it could come all the way down around about 18%, just have a little retouch off this trend line, a little wick, come back up and continue. But it is in a bullish continuation pattern. I mean, if we look on a 4-hourly time frame here, you can see you're coming up the stairs like that, you're making these high lows, essentially some kind of horizontal, definitely some kind of horizontal, and a breakout does look as though it's quite imminent, to be honest with you. Even on the 4-hour, you know, look at that, you're coming up horizontal continuation pattern. You usually break out these to the upside. There is a chance you can break down to the downside. 68% chance to the upside, 32% chance to the downside. So come to your charts, draw these trend lines, okay, you're coming extremely close to some kind of break, get the break, pump to the upside, you're looking at a beautiful little long. And obviously you only ever trade on break of confirmation, okay? Confirmation of break. If you start to break out, yes, you've got confirmation, open your leverage long and away you go. 42% upside. And equally, if you was to lose this key level support right now, potentially you could see a little correction coming back down to this key level support, and I'd offer a 19% short up right there for you on hot. So this is a key level support, okay? That's a key level support that if you was to roll in the market, I do think that that could offer a fantastic entry point, you know, if you're looking for a continuation of this trend. Basically, it's looking good, and at that point, you know, if you do start to come up and break out, you're going to start to melt faces here, and this is what hot does. You know, it does do this in this bull market. Look at that, comes up, consolidates, goes up, consolidates, goes up, overextended, rolls back to a kilo support, held to swing high, bullish continuation. And what you're doing right here, if you refer back to all the previous HOLOCHAIN videos, when you're coming down here, okay, I said to you, look, you bottomed out here and you're breaking out. This is really good. You're breaking out here, and potentially you're going to come up and you're going to break this sign. You're going to put an impulsive wave. Okay, so from that moment right there, just here when we're broken out in a previous HOLOCHAIN video that I gave you, you know, you're up a whopping 205% with a potential to retrace to the high, which is around a 555%. But to the 1618, you're looking at 2,115%. You know what I mean? That's amazing. You know, in a correction phase of a bull market. So yeah, it's looking good. It's looking good. Providing we can keep holding support and breaking resistance for falling back to that as support, we're looking fantastic for continuation here for HOLOCHAIN moving forward. And I do anticipate that this minimal target of 10 cents will get met this particular project, which is a fantastic project. Okay, in this bull market. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another HOLOCHAIN update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.